In this video, you'll learn how to add the JBC token to your Binance Wallet. By following the steps outlined, you will successfully manage your token assets within the Binance platform. Begin by navigating to the Binance website and locating the Wallet section. Once you are in the Wallets area, select either the Spot Wallet or the Web3 Wallet, depending on your preference. After this, look for the option labeled Token Management or Asset List. This section is where you will be able to manage your tokens. To find the JBC token, use the search function and input JBC. It is crucial to verify the contract details to avoid adding any fake tokens, which may lead to loss of funds. Once you confirm that you are in the token management interface, you can proceed to the next step. Next, select the option that allows you to add a custom token. In this section, you will need to enter the JBC contract address carefully. It is essential to ensure that the contract address you input is accurate to prevent errors. After entering the address, you will see fields for the token symbol and the number of decimals. Confirm that the token symbol is correctly displayed as JBC and that the decimals are set as specified in the token's details. Once you have verified this information, save the token configuration. This action will add the JBC token to your wallet. After adding the token, refresh your wallet page to ensure that the token appears correctly. Check to see if your JBC token balance is displayed as expected. If you want to confirm that everything is set up properly, consider performing a small test transfer of JBC tokens to your wallet. This step will allow you to see the token activity and ensure that the token is functioning correctly. Make sure to save the contract information for your records. If you notice that your JBC token does not appear in your wallet after refreshing, you should reach out to Binance support for assistance. It is important to monitor your token activity regularly to ensure everything is operating smoothly. Always keep an eye on your transaction history and be aware of any unusual activity. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.